real tight fabric that you have a hard time, like, but listen, if I get a little spill here and there, I got my upholstery cleaner, you know what I'm saying? Little daddy in the closet, I'm gonna bust them out, and wow. I will keep y'all updated on this couch now. With 3 sure, but we already went over the rules. We done already been practicing better habits. I done already laid down the law, and you know what I'm saying? No food, no jumping, no none of that on this couch. Like, we gonna do this one right.